anyways, it's the review. Review of the Tao Tao 140. Probably getting some wind right now. But anyways, here she is. Got the chest mount on right now. 140cc air cooled external oil cooler. Ordered a new exhaust for it, but that's not coming yet. First modification I did though was took off the Chinese carburetor that it comes with and replaced it with this Mikuni. I'm pretty sure it's a Mikuni V22 26mm, and it seems around a lot better with that. And I did adjust the needle so the needle sits lower. I just moved the clip all the way up so the needle would sit lower down, so it wouldn't draw as much fuel. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did. You know, the bike's it's pretty mint. It's pretty big for what it is. I'm about 5'10", maybe 5'11" in boots, and it fits me pretty good, I'd say. I did my warm up for a while, guys. Oh, that's wet. First time using the GoPro on chest mount, so I don't know if it's a good angle or not. Try a little wheelie. Pretty good, I'd say, compared to like SSR 110 and Thumbstar 125 suspension. I'd say this is definitely the best suspension so far. There. But tell me if you guys like this angle, or if you want me to tilt it up a little more, down a little more. Just let me know. Good low end torque for sure. The low end torque is probably the best feature of this guy. If you roll wheelies. videos on this thing. This thing's crazy fun to ride. Kind of figured out what I was doing wrong. I was kind of bringing my legs out when I wheelied. It was kind of throwing me off balance, and it was kind of just making me wheelie like crap. I don't know how good the wind's gonna do with the audio, but we'll find out, I guess. I like doing a few wheelies up this hill here. Yeah, so basically, for braking, you want to change the oil immediately when you get it, because I got it in like a crate, and because the oil that's in the engine originally is only for in case it starts up somehow while it's being transported to you. So I changed that oil out, and then rode it. You know, it says to do, like, you don't want to do any hill climbs or anything. You don't want to put a huge load on the motor for about 2 to 4 hours, which I did for probably about 3.5, 4 hours ish. And then you can rev it up though in that period though, like you can go through the RPM range. But after that, then you can just ride however you want. And make sure that you check every bolt and see that it's tight when you get these, because sometimes they're loose from the factory. And yeah, that pretty much concludes it, guys. So DBX1 140cc Tao Tao, pretty nice. There will be a new exhaust coming soon, and hopefully that'll beef it up a little more. Until then, have a good one, guys.